planning stage to completion, Taejin Incorporated offers its customers detailed counseling and consultation on the overall layouts required by automatic plants in the poultry processing industry for the most valuable investment with the lowest cost. If a contract is concluded, researchers at Taejin's technological institutions, including executives and highly experienced professionals with accumulated domestic and international know-how, will cooperate in designing and constructing cutting-edge, hygienic customer plants. When designing is complete, the necessary parts for installment will undergo a manufacturing and assembly process, and then the assembled machinery will go through a strict test before delivery. Taejin Incorporated is in possession of a sufficient amount of spare parts that may be necessary for immediate post-management of the plants and is in full alert for any customer request or urgent or emergent matters. Taejin Incorporated was previously awarded 2 presidential citations for contributing to economic development through excellent industrial development. In addition, the company received a Trade and Industry Ministry Award as well as a Trade Ministry Award for localization of poultry technologies. It retains 65 different types of patents and utility modules which are required for automatic poultry plants. It also has a 75% market share in domestic poultry, auto installment, and imports its installations to nearly 20 countries in the Middle East, Southeastern Asia, and Africa. The following will present a detailed explanation on the different parts of our cutting-edge, hygienic processing line for poultry. The packaged transportation system enables production of high-quality chicken meat through detection and removal of dead chickens and reduction of bruised or damaged chicken meat. Packaged poultry also effectively blocked the spread of poultry-related diseases such as avian influenza through cleansing and disinfection. CO2 gas stunners improve the working environment, reduce manpower, and boost animal and labor welfare. Module boxes containing raw poultry that arrive at the plant will be placed on a conveyor belt, and box modules will be separated in the CO2 gas stunner. Unconscious poultry will be hung on shackles and go through a slaughter process to cut off arteries, followed by radiation and scalding. Empty boxes will be rinsed out and disinfected and then will be taken to the transportation vehicles. Poultry that have undergone slaughter and depletion will be hung on conveyor shackles and injected into the scalding machines. These scalding machines are divided into first and second rounds, and in the first round, lower temperature scalding water will cleanse, macerate the poultry, while in the second round, the poultry will undergo scalding in water with temperature ranging from 56 degrees Celsius to 59 degrees Celsius. In particular, Taejin Incorporated's super scalding machine has 3 different functions: impeller agitator, aerator, and steam injector. Impellers drag down both sides during the scalding water process to prevent the floating of poultry and further prevent the fall of chicken feet, thus reducing errors in the next procedure. Scalding water will be drawn up toward the upper parts through the central tube and be poured on the tail, wings, and between the legs. The upper motor and parts of impellers are composed of stainless steel and other special materials for highly durable, and respective super scalding machine can be applied to various types of poultry. The defeathering machine consists of 4 steps involving column, zigzag, and 2 series types of actions for an effective defeathering process. Using different types of defeathering processes will prevent loss of freshness through the prevention of skin pore rupture or damage to the skin caused by excessive skin friction. A total of 256 disc housings run by an inverter drive system can be controlled to better process the different types of poultry that will be rotating. Housings are produced with stainless-made investment casting that is also water-resistant, further preventing water permeation. From the outside, and its strengths are high durability and easy management. It operates quietly. Perfect defeathering is also possible, as both the distance between the defeathering machine and the poultry and the angles can be controlled. Also, defeathering machines provide enough area for prepared procedures with the guide rail equipment, making it easy to conduct maintenance and repair. In addition, separated feathers will be flushed into the drainage located in the bottom area and transferred to a rendering room with a water separator, but the water will be recycled to the initial position. Poultry, which have undergone the defeathering process, will be relocated to the evisceration line from the killing line for more hygienic processing. Cut-off feet will undergo skinning procedures and then be transferred through sealed pipelines and then bagged with a cooling system after rinsing. All first, second, and third rounds of transfer machines produced by Taejin Incorporated pick up poultry meats with spring-type automatic levers, regardless of the size of the meat. In the event that trouble does occur, transfer machines automatically terminate the transferring process to prevent fracture of chicken legs. This involves 4 processes. Automatically transferred poultry will be relocated to the vent cutter, is the first step of evisceration and requires intricate skills. Taejin's vent cutter is Korea's newest model and is equipped with excellent capacity and accuracy. A probe detector is descended into the center of the vent and cuts with a round-shaped blade, which hangs the vent outside the poultry. General chicken, Korean traditional chicken, and aged hens can be processed with the vent, and this German-produced round-shaped blade is made of heat-treated HSS materials. After completion of the vent cutting process, the opening machine cuts the abdomen and continues on to the long-shaped eviscerator. Taejin-produced cutting-edge long-shaped eviscerator is the newest model with improved capacity, hygienic qualities, durability, and management customized for domestic products. It carries out a stable evisceration despite fast butcheries of 12,000 per hour through targeting the bottom neck parts of the poultry. Its evisceration rate stands at above 99% and secures equal or better figures than the same type of models developed by other corporations. The world's first real-time monitor system indicates the quantity of poultry and internal organs produced in every hour, showcasing evisceration rate of each unit. This ensures effective management of quality of the poultry and maintenance of equipment. The inspector will examine internal organs of poultry that are eviscerated without damage and automatically move them to the pack shackle. Shackles colored in red, yellow, and blue will then pass across the examination lines where reflection mirrors are located. Examination lines are equipped with 3-wavelength lighting that has capacity of more than 550 lux. This further ensures the veterinarian examined color of poultry that enables accurate and efficient inspection. After the first cutting of inedible organs are packed and hung on the separate pack shackle line, the muscular stomach separator separates muscular stomachs, removes fat, and then wraps the remaining meat after a rinsing and cooling process. Hearts are separated by the separator from the other organs, and lungs and undergo a wrapping process after cooling and rinsing. The remaining byproducts are transferred to a rendering room through pumps. After going through an airway dispenser of airway and throats, the final inspector inhales pieces of blood cells and lungs. In and outside parts of the poultry are then rinsed out with high-pressured spray water and then relocated to an air cooling line by the second transfer. Cameras intended to check on quality of poultry before transferring them to the air cooling system in an effort to promote effective management of livestock farmhouses and businesses processes have been adopted. Before entering into the air cooling line, the quality inspection cameras will check data on damaged or bruised poultry and then send relevant data to a production information management system. Taejin designed, produced, installed, and ran tests on the 11-kilometer long air chilling line in 2013 alone, and is planning on installing cutting-edge air cooling equipment based on the know-how acquired domestically and internationally. Previously, efficiency of cooling declined due to formation of frost on the surface of the cooler unit, while cooling water was wasted by spraying water across the entire room. Taejin's air chilling and cooling system improved the weaknesses of previous technology through allocating shower boxes in designated places for moisturizing and further preventing dehydration of poultry skin. This not only saves industrial water and lowers the hydration rate inside the cooling room, but also maximizes energy saving through providing water at only designated spots. Also, installation of shower facilities using cool water near the entrance to the air chilling system led to maximization of cooling efficiency as well as disinfection through the pumping of antibiotic solutions. Applied installations are Japan-made Mitsubishi screw freezer that is known for its stable operation system and effective post-management, as well as a reliable supply of parts. The unit cooling features German-produced Thermalin products that feature stainless steel cooling pipes and aluminum pins. The cooling system is divided into first and second zones. In the first zone, a total of 12 unit coolers freeze body core temperatures to below 12 degrees Celsius. And in the second zone, the temperature of poultry will be controlled by 8 unit coolers in operation based on different conditions. A 20-set ventilation fan circulation system controls the strength of the coolers in accordance with manuals and is effective in preventing reduction of water among poultry through an efficient cooling system using circulatory fans. A hygienic air chilling cooling system is maintained through a tension controller that automatically controls the tensions on the transfer line and the cleansed shackles. Poultry, which has completed the cooling process, will be transferred to a weight measure line. The weight measurement of Taejin is divided into 18 grades and up to 12,000 poultry can be controlled per hour, separating the poultry into different weights. Separate dropping off depending on the different weights and at designated spots can be conducted, and simultaneously dropping off the poultry meats processed in different lines further reduces labor costs. In addition, one cylinder can sort out 2 grades of the poultry meat and control the reduction of water composition individually. Taejin provides accurate and fast after-service and failure diagnosis through an internet remote control service. The Production Information Management System is an integrated management system that controls all production-related data created in the poultry processing. The system can check and compare the number of poultry processed and weighed in real time, further enabling measurement of damaged or bruised poultry, which have been sorted out by the image recognition system through a camera readout. Office managers, sales department heads, as well as headquarter executives can access up-to-date poultry processing condition on-site in the factory through data provided by the Production Information Management computer on the Nonghyup intranet program. Taejin's main control system is made up of touchscreen enabling easy control and management of supervision, and there is also a local control panel that allows on-site operations of the plants by choice. Highly durable stainless panels make up the electrical boxes and high-quality parts are used for the inner area. Utility pipes connected to each machine are made of hygienic stainless pipes, and all electric wire and steel frames are balanced for effective management and view. It will take a total of 15 days from completion of installation to test run and begin operation of the plants. We will offer overall education on various issues, including how to set up a poultry plant, how to run the plants, how to operate and maintain the air cooling systems, how to use the weight measurement machinery. Also, a manual on production information management will be provided and emergency and urgent care methods will be dealt with. We think that the advanced technology that Taejin Incorporated is offering today is only possible thanks to the love and support from our customers and business partners.